Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Bluetooth deadbolt with fingerprint identification and Wi-Fi bridge. This is from Philips. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, fingerprint, application, pin code, and mechanical key. This is what we have in the box. Wi-Fi bridge and deadbolt. There are 4 ways to unlock. Create pin codes remotely, simple sharing, auto lock, smart home ready, works with Wi-Fi bridge, and it is working with Alexa and Google. These are the items we have in the box. User manual. Here is the template. It talks about how we're going to install it, and user manual. This is the site inside the home. Here is exterior. When you open it like that, you're gonna see the physical key, and here is the fingerprint. Let's check the back side. This is also two-way. Here is the interior one. Lock, unlock. We need AA batteries, 4 of them. And here is the reset button. And how we're gonna do the connection from the exterior one. We're just gonna push it and take this out. You see right there, that's the plug, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it over there. If we're gonna use physical key, we're just gonna pull it like that and then go ahead and use it. We have some tools. Here is the Wi-Fi bridge. I just cover these areas. It's because it is disclosing personal info, and it has a sync button. If you're using one plug in your home, basically they are giving me another one. This is awesome. Here are the physical keys. Let's test it. That's good. Here are some other tools like screw pack and 4 batteries AA. Here is the application, and we're gonna go ahead and press on this. Add fingerprint. It is talking about how we're gonna do it. Next. 8 times. And enrollment successful. I'm just gonna put myself down. Father. Yeah, father is good. Complete. Let me go ahead and check it out if it's gonna work or not.
Verification succeeded.
Now it's working well. And let's go back, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the pin code. Here is how you're gonna add the pin code right there. And permanent, recurring, duration, 1 time. I did permanent right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and enter my pin code and see. If you wanna activate it, you need to touch first and then put the pin code. I put the pin code.
Verification succeeded.
Now it's locked, and it's gonna lock it by itself, auto lock. You can add all of your family members here, and you can give them some pin codes, and you can check the activities right there. Who locked it? See, auto locked, activated,
Door locked.
and it is locked, and it is showing you with the timestamp. Front door auto locked. Front door is unlocked by the application. You can also unlock it with the application. Just 1 click.
Door unlocked.
And you can lock it.
Door locked.
When we go to Wi-Fi bridge, as you see, this is smart plug. You can turn it off and turn it on. That's additional specification. And here is, you can add more lock over here on the Wi-Fi bridge. Here are some of the settings. You can share the device with your loved ones, and it is working with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. I have Amazon Alexa. Agree and link, and it is linking right now. It found it by itself. I'm gonna link it right now. Now it is linked.